Okay, so before we start the video training, I'm assuming you're already familiar with the lenticular print production process and that you know how to calibrate a lenticular lens with a pitch test. Okay, so let's start. Now when you've installed the Producer software on the Mac, this is what its icon looks like in the dock. And this is what the splash screen looks like when the Producer starts running. Just to remind you, Producer is a pre-press tool for positioning your LDoc files. LDoc files are created with HumanEyes Creative 3D application by a graphic designer or anyone who uses Creative 3D. I'll walk you through the Producer interface later, but for now I'll open a file that I prepared earlier that's almost ready for interlacing. As you'll see as we go along, Producer makes 3D, flip and motion lenticular effects as easy to position and print as regular 2D output. In fact, HumanEyes have made lenticular production as simple as working in any image editor. Producer files have an HLT extension. And as you can see, I placed all my LDocs on a single layout. I will show you how I did this in another video clip later. Just look at these LDocs. They've each got their own print marks. Now, of course, I can apply custom marks to any LDoc that I want. I'll show you later how to make custom print marks. Alright, so here's our layout, and I'll drag this last object into position like so. And now the layout is complete. I'll just align some of the LDocs to a better position. And all that's left to do is to add the optical and mechanical pitch values before I interlace the whole layout. How we determine mechanical pitch will also be dealt with in a later video. But for now, all that's left to do is to finalize the imposition like so, and then render the layout as an interlaced image. Now, I won't interlace it at the moment, as I just want you to look at the GUI. This layout, for example, will be printed on an offset printer. I can interlace to TIFF, PDF, PostScript, or Cytex CT format. And as you'll see later, Producer is very intuitive and very easy to use in any lenticular production environment.